So the question is IV vitamins versus oral. Um, on one hand, we are designed to get our vitamins, except for vitamin D, to get our vitamins through food. And so one might think that, well, oral is the way to go. The problem is often our food is not as nutritious as it once was. And so therefore, we may not be getting the same vitamin content that we would have if we're eating healthy foods in the past. Um, for that reason, a lot of people have started taking, multivitamins or individual vitamins as a supplement, with the appropriate idea that it's going to increase the chances they're going to get what they need. The problem with that is that often, due to the fact that we're under stress and we're not really taking the time to, have a proper meal, and we're in the fight or flight mode most of the day. During the fight or flight mode, digestion is the last thing the body worries about. So even if you're eating healthy foods, even if you're taking supplements, your whole digestive system is not really fully on. In fact, it's kind of off. And so your digestive enzymes are not being released. And so you're not going to absorb the nutritional value, or the full nutritional value of the vitamins, whether they're in your food or you're taking it as a supplement. So for that reason, sometimes it's very helpful to take something, vitamins, as IV infusion, because when you put it directly in the vein, the body has no choice but to 100% absorb it. So you get 100% absorption of the vitamins and you get their full benefits. And it can be very, very helpful, um, especially in these days where stress levels for everybody are so high. You just need the extra antioxidants and vitamin C. You need the extra B vitamins, that are going to support your adrenals, which are the major gland that deals with stress, right? So overall, it can really give a jump start to what we might not be getting from our food, although we would under other ideal situations.